In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to mass remove or empty blocks in Minecraft in under 1 minute. So better keep watching till the end. Let's get started. Don't forget to allow the cheats on your world. For Java players, click on the F3 to see your chords. Then go for the highest point that you want to clear. Let's go for this one. I want to go from trees level. And then open your chat and type /fill. Then write your chords. In my case, it's 787, 101. Click on enter to save the command, and then go for the bottom point that you want to clear. Let's go not that deep, as example right here is enough. Then open again your chat and press the up arrow on your keyboard to get the command back, and then write the new chords. In my case, it's 808, 51, and minus 481. Space and write air. Then click on enter. And as you can see, the place has been emptied successfully. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing, liking the video, and thanks for watching.